Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to build a simple Flyout page using .NET MAUI. My page will have two separate views on them. One will be my main page, the other will be a settings page that I've built. We'll build a little menu bar across the bottom of the page, and I'll put icons on that particular menu so that, it looks fancy. So let me show you what we've got set up. This is my current project. I'm going to modify this so that across the bottom of the screens are two icons. This will be my main page. The second page will be a settings page. I've put two images, a baseball image and a settings image. I'm going to use those for my icons. Both icons came from flaticon.com. The baseball one is from IconKanan, and the settings one is from the Phoenix group. I have to give the shout out because I don't pay for these, so I have to give credit where credit's due. Okay, so to modify this, what we're going to do is we're going to end up changing how this app shell looks. And notice I'm in AppShell.xaml. This is where we build how the page works. By default, this is what you're given. This is the page that loads up. If you want to change the settings or whatever, you could put that there. That's the first page that loads. We're going to basically lose this and then rebuild it. Actually, no, I'm going to keep that there because I don't have to lose it. I'm going to create a fly item. When you set fly display items as multiple items. Okay, so the shell content becomes, content for the shell, content for the screen. Title is what will appear at the bottom of the screen is what to click on. This content template is what you're loading up, and data template is correct. It allows you to pull up this particular file. Local refers to my namespace up here. If you have multiple folders with multiple namespaces, you can have those loaded up there. That'll become an issue when you start to build with MVVM. For now, it's just in local. Route takes you to what page you want to go to, and I'm going to create an icon. Pings are fine, SVGs are fine, whatever you wish to use. You can also use things like Fonticon if you wanted to get fancier. Alright, so let's create the shell content for my first page. Create the shell content for my second page. So let's set the same way. Content templates. You want to bind it. All right, so that's it. My pages are already built. My settings YAML page is populated with a bunch of labels and things. So I'm going to pause this while I run this, and we'll take on back and look at it in a second. All right, it loaded. Let's see what happens. Notice at the bottom here I have my two tabs, home and settings. That matches what I put in my app shell, home and settings. The icons appear. These are the icons I acquired. They're purple because that's the default color of my Android emulator. If I click on settings, it takes me to my next page. Now, this is an ugly page, I agree, but it does work. These colors all come from MLB team color codes. Eventually, I'm going to set this up so when I pick one of these, my colors change across the whole document. So, there it is. You have a flyout page. Basically editing your app shell. You can also create tabs on the top of this page, and that's with the tab content. That'll be a different video. Thanks, guys. Be safe.